Hello guys, and then welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is again Jonesky. So today I am going to introduce you the family of my home mini garden. So first I have here this one is called Nevada. Alright. This one I don't know what is his name, but if you guys know the name, please comment down what is the name of this plant right next to Nevada. And then next will be Tres Marias joke. This is what you call a baby rose cabbage. So if you're going to check, hindi lang siya ganun ordinaryong baby. Meron na rin siyang baby mismo sa ilalim. There. Next, I have Angelina Bush. Alright. Then next, yung sa previous video natin, Adolphii, yung repot ko lang. And yung ghost plant. Ito yung pinaka Mother Adolphii plant. Ayan. Then ito blue rose. It's a baby blue rose. Then here, itong nasa left side, yan ang tawag ay Sanseveria Bacularis. And then itong color brown na nakabulat-lat na flower, ang tawag dyan Echeveria Black Prince. And ito yung parang maliliit na small bananas. These are called jelly beans. And I also have a violet Graptoveria Abbie. And I also have small dragon blood. Alright. So for you to always be updated with regards to what's the latest on my succulents, so you may now click the bell icon, subscribe, and click the like button so you always is updated with my video uploads. So right now, kung makikita nyo, I have ito for propagation to. Ang tawag dito ay Black Prince. Ito naman yung nakahiwalay na Nevada. Kakatanggal ko lang nito kahapon para naman to sa for propagation din, pero first step muna is at least a week or 3 to 5 days na dapat mag-callus off or magkaroon ng kalyo dun sa dulo para ma-make sure mo na pag iniwan mo na siya dun sa may lupa, tutubuan siya ng ugat at ng dahon. Meron na din ako ditong nag-callus off na Echeveria Black Prince. Actually, meron na nga siyang meron na siyang baby leaf. Ayan. So, ayan, makikita nyo. Ayan. So, medyo mahirap buksan, no? Oops. Okay, there. Kakadilig ko lang na ito kanina umaga. Ayan, kita nyo. Meron na akong isang Echeveria Black Prince na merong maliit na baby leaf sprout dun sa dulo niya. And hopefully, sana, yung itong mga sumunod, magkaroon din sana ng, ito may ugat na siya isa. Ayan. Tapos meron na rin yung maliit na usbong. Ayan. Yung maliit na usbong na yun dun. Ayun. Yun. Ayan. So, i-update ko kayo guys. I'm going to update you on everything new about my succulents on a weekly basis. So, don't forget to hit the bell icon, the subscribe button, and the like button. So, thank you so much again for watching my video and have a great day. Goodbye!